channel. We don't really have a name for it yet. We might have a name for it on the next video. And we're gonna do a no hands eating challenge, and the winner will get the rest of the Doritos. And we're really excited, and Kaylin got a new toy.
What is that me?
Kaylin got a new toy. So we'll see you in the first round. Hi guys! Now we're gonna stop eating.
Don't use your hands. Don't use your hands. Hang on. Don't use your
We have
hands.
to put our hands in them.
No, I'm just gonna do this.
I got one. Mom. I can't get another.
Easy. It's so easy.
It's so yum. Wait.
That's don't use your hands.
Hey.
You're not supposed to use your hands. Okay, I'll treat you this round.
Since we already gave it a try, let's give everyone 1 point. Hi! Now time for round 2.
Okay, I don't use your hands. No using your hands.
Mars. I'm gonna try to eat. It's so hard to eat.
I'm just gonna move it a little.
I got sprinkles in my mouth.
Try.
This tastes so bad.
What? Garden.
I'm gonna eat.
No.
I'm some chicken back.
I'm actually doing it.
I'm actually doing it too. Right there. Yeah, I left it on the side. I got sprinkles on my chin. Ooh. Hey, Caitlin.
I'm the closest one.
Okay, since we all gave it a try again, and we ate it without using our hands. Hi! We're gonna go to round 4, which is raisins. We need to have healthy food. Yeah, and this tastes so bad. What?
I never even tried raisins.
Now, we're gonna stop eating without hands. No. Someone hold the raisin. As I spit it out.
Yeah, I'm just gonna eat
Raisins taste weird. I hate raisins.
I don't know.
You gotta eat it. Oh my god.
You know, I'm sacrificing the point.
Caitlin, you can't use your hands. Have your hands behind your back.
I'm putting my hands on.
I can't eat it. I got 2.
I got.
This tastes weird.
What are the raisins made of?
I think it's made out of grapes.
Does it taste like grapes? And I'm just getting saliva all over the raisins.
Guys, this tastes disgusting.
Wow. None of us gets a point now.
We do get a point.
But we didn't even eat it.
I ate it.
Except Caitlin. Does that mean
And me.
Does that mean I don't get a point because I'm not eating it?
Oh! Julie only has 2 points. Me and Caitlin have 3. Now let's move on to round 4. Someone play the video. Hi guys! Now we're gonna go to round 4, which is chocolate. We're gonna quickly put the chocolate on our plate. So, see ya in 1 minute. Hi guys! Now we're on to round 5, Doritos. Yeah, and this was think
No, it's gonna be easy.
I think it's gonna be really hard. Oh, it's easy.
I told you. No, it's really messy.
Here's an update on our scores. I have 5. Taylor has 5. Julian has 4. It's because she didn't really like the raisins.
One white equals one sad. Or no, one medium.
I feel like I'm in candy heaven.
No, I feel like I'm gonna have a sugar rush.
Me too. And I also feel like I'm in candy heaven.
I'm just dropping them and not. My lips are hurting.
I can't reach it. This is fun.
Ow.
Candy heaven, here I come. Let's try to watch this. Okay, that's. Okay, we're done eating them.
Oh.
Actually, we still have 1 more minute to eat. Ah.
This is taking the longest to eat.
Now we're finished. And now we can move on to round 6 for Snickers fun size. Ooh, yummy. We have some. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Now we're up to round. Wait, what round is it?
Wait,
3.
Wait, no.
I think it's round 4.
Well, I think it's round 6.
Okay, so. Okay, let's just do round 6. Snickers bars. Snickers bars. Fun size, which I thought fun size would be big, but it's tiny. Okay, now let's start. Wait, Caitlin already started.
I feel cool.
This tastes yum. I've literally never had a Snickers bar before.
Are you even allowed to have a Snickers bar?
What? I bought her.
Of course, it's snubbing.
Oh, my chin is hitting the plate and it hurts.
That one is it. Done.
I really want more Doritos. I'm gonna get a Dorito. I'm gonna get a Dorito.
Oh, never mind. I'm not.
Hey, yeah.
Yeah, you have water?
You cheated. I have 6 points. Helen has 6 points. You're still on 4, sister.
No, 5. Why? Because I'm about.
You ate it with your hands.
No, I didn't. I used the plate.
Hey, but you use your hands to carry the plate.
But Kaden also.
She's little. Okay, let's just say she has 5, okay?
Yeah.
I'm being a nice person. Yes. Actually, I'm full. I'm full. Okay, now it's time for round 7. We'll meet you in a bit. Hi guys. Now we're up to round 7, and I finally got the number in my head. Yeah. So we're up to wafers. Yeah. And this will also be our last round. Yeah. If we'll have another round, then it's water. Actually, it isn't our last round. This is our second last round.
Okay, so next one is going to be what?
Parents actually eating. It tastes disgusting. I hate vanilla. I love chocolate.
I'm trying to move.
Sugar heaven is really on to me. It tastes so weird.
Oh, God.
Okay, let's just call it an end. Now next it's gonna be our last round, also known as round 8. We'll see you guys in a bit. Hi guys. Hi guys. Now we're on to round 8, the last round. Yeah, we're gonna be drinking water out of a bowl. It's gonna be hard.
My cat. Meow.
Meow.
I feel so messy.
No, my clothes are wet.
Mine's aren't.
My hands are wet. I mean, my face is wet.
Only my mouth, my chin is wet. It's good to have a towel.
Now my face is wet.
Oh, I feel like I'm having a bath only with my chin. It's like I'm having a...
Me too. I can't drink because I'm too busy laughing.
I'm not even well.
It was stuck on my face for a little, but then I let go of my ear and it came flying down. And it goes in my earrings too. I can hide them so it will not get wet.
Why do you carry your earrings? Oh, did you remove your hair?
Okay,
Oh,
guys, this is the end of the round. My face is like so wet, and just to let you know again, subscribe to their channel and ours.
Okay.
So
Dab.
get ready for your next video. Bye. Just to let you know, we forgot to do round 3. So one of the round 4s is round 3. Okay.
Okay.